Right click on Start, click on File Explorer, click on View, click on Options, click on View, uncheck Hide extensions for known file types, click on OK, click on Local Disk C, double click on Windows folder, double click on System32, double click on drivers, double click on etc, double click on hosts, select Notepad, click on OK, edit your host as per your requirement, click on File, click on Save As, select Desktop, click on Save, close hosts.txt notepad, minimize the etc folder, right click on host.txt, click on rename, delete .txt or extension, click on blank space, click on yes, right click on hosts, click on copy, maximize etc folder, right click on blank space, click on paste, click on replace file, click on continue, job done. Subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thank you.